Hello everyone, I am pleased to share our work on medical image segmentation with you. In this work, we propose a mixed-domain semi-supervised medical image segmentation scenario, where we handle data from multiple medical centers, with limited annotations available for a single domain, and a large amount of unlabeled data from multiple domains to tackle this problem. We design a method that constructs intermediate domains and fully utilizes their information. During clinical data collection, the coexistence of limited annotation and domain shift is quite common. Traditional semi-supervised segmentation and unsupervised domain adaptation methods address one of these issues separately, and it is difficult to achieve satisfactory results in MiDSS when relying solely on SSMS or UDA methods. Our key insight is first to construct several intermediate domains among original domains to narrow the domain gap, and then emphasize knowledge transfer approaches upon these constructed domains. Cut mix, also referred to as copy-paste, is a simple yet highly effective technique for generating intermediate samples by embedding patches from labeled samples into unlabeled samples along a single direction. To fully leverage the data generation capability of CP, we employ a unified copy-paste approach. UCP generates a great quantity of diverse intermediate samples by unified applying both embedding directions between labeled and unlabeled samples, narrowing the domain gap and effectively mitigating the issue of error accumulation. However, the intermediate sample generation method based on UCP primarily focuses on local semantic blending, while overlooking the transition of stylistic differences between different domains. In order to introduce style transition components in the intermediate domains, we gradually increase the fusion ratio range and interpolating low-frequency information between data from different domains. However, the intermediate domains may not align perfectly with the domains of the unlabeled data. Solely training within the intermediate domains neglects the model performance on the unlabeled data, which are of great interest. The information from intermediate domains should be harnessed to promote the model to generate high-quality pseudo-labels for unlabeled data. We designed a symmetric guidance training strategy to fully utilize the information from intermediate domains, enhancing the model's performance on the target domain. On one hand, the pseudo-labels of unlabeled data and the ground truth of labeled data are concatenated to guide the prediction of intermediate samples. On the other hand, the paired intermediate samples possess complementary unlabeled regions, and by concatenating the pseudo-labeled regions, pseudo-labels from the perspective of the intermediate domain can be obtained. Additionally, the teacher model can directly generate pseudo-labels for the unlabeled data. Integrating pseudo-labels from both perspectives results in higher quality pseudo-labels, which better guide the training of unlabeled data. The overall framework of our method emphasizes domain knowledge transfer through data augmentation and training strategies. Data augmentation constructs intermediate domains, and the training strategy fully utilizes the information from these intermediate domains. We compare our method with other state-of-the-art semi-supervised medical image segmentation and unsupervised domain adaptation methods on the fundus, prostate, and MNMS datasets. Our method demonstrates superior performance, showing significant improvements compared to other methods. Additionally, in the visualized results, our segmentation outputs are the closest to the ground truth. We conduct a series of ablation experiments on fundus dataset to validate the effectiveness of each component. We also explore the relationship between the selection of low-frequency region size and model performance on the fundus dataset. Overall, there is a slight trend of performance improvement followed by a decline, with the best performance achieved when beta equals 0.01. Thanks for your attention.